Yo, what is up, guys? So today, we're doing a trade recap. So yesterday, I did not take trade because it was a bank holiday. Could I have taken something yesterday? Maybe. Would I have taken it? Nope, because it was a bank holiday. So today, I pretty much took two trades. It's not exactly according to plan, but why did I take two trades? Was because I'll let you know in the while explaining the first trade. So the first trade I took was this right here. What do I see right of market? Like not of market open, but like pre-market. What do I see? Pre-market, I see us sweeping this Asia low. With this in mind, and we get this really bullish candle closure. What I also see is this low gets swept, but we fail to close. We fail to close down below with a good body closure. What is this telling me? This is telling me that price is possibly not going down yet. Eventually, I see price sweeping this Asia low at that point in time. I'm looking pretty bullish. What confirms it even more? Like these candles, if these candles like create a nice candle, then I would have been so much more bullish. But still, I was still more leaning towards bullish than bearish. So what I see, this candle kind of gets a really ugly wick, but on the 5 minute it looks pretty great. Actually, like it looks pretty good. Then this candle prints. Oh wait, that's the candle I traded off. But why I still took this trade is because if we would have gone lower, then we would have probably just moved lower. But like we were like respecting this bullish period pretty well. So the trade I was looking at was this right here. I drew my OT like this. Then what I wait for, I know New York Open manipulates really usually. I wait for the sweep of that low. We get that sweep, and then at that point in time, I'm just waiting to that price come back up. Price comes back up, and I took a 1 to 2 like really quickly out of this trade, something like this. I even took it to this high because I could have taken it as all the way up to here, and it would have still been TP really fast. But the reason why I took it to there is because I'm trading 1 to 2s, and yeah, in 30 seconds I had my TP right there. So basically that should have been one and done. But why I still took a second trade is because I have 10 funded accounts right now that I'm copy trading, and one of them I didn't, and on one of them I'm doing higher risk because on Alpha Futures I didn't know max allocation is free funded accounts. So I basically passed 4 funded accounts and one I cannot activate. And I have 30 days until that one, until I activate it. But I passed it at like 30th of January, so I still have like 13 days. And in my mind, I was thinking, okay, I'm in drawdown already. I might as well risk higher on that account. So uh, I'm copy trading all my accounts through TradeSyncer, and you can adjust the risk setting uh, on each account. So I did that for the one account, Alpha Zero account, Alpha Futures account. But the thing I forgot is that I was risking 3 micros today, and I'm only allowed to risk 10 micros on that account. So that order got rejected, and I was pretty upset because it would have been a pretty good win. Uh, so yeah, then I still was contemplating, telling myself, "Yo, I can still take a trade or something." And then this setup looked so good, bro. Like why I took this next setup was because this 15-minute perfect rejection, this engulfing candle, and with that in mind, I was anticipating maybe a retracement even lower. I just drew this out. This OT where it was nice with this 2 minute for value gap. I just set my limit, just waited, and it played out pretty well. So yeah, then I took this second trade, played out as well, and then yeah, that was basically the two trades I took. So yeah, I was in a pretty bad losing streak, but now I've been coming back out pretty well. So here's the proof that I'm trading on 10 accounts. Pretty good P&L for the day. I don't know what to say about the P&L. I don't want to be too materialistic and focus on the money, but as you guys can see, these are the 10 accounts I'm trading today. This is the one account that I risk higher on, and then my free Express accounts that I'm still trading on TopStep that I still have since December. Uh, yeah, basically that's how I've been going. I've like skilled up uh in my how to say this. I've skilled up in funded accounts and I'm copy trading those. As of the time being, I will not probably be buying any evals for this week. I'll probably be buying 2 evals for next week, and then I'll see if I pass or blow them. And yeah, mainly the thing I'm gonna be focusing on is just building a buffer on all of these accounts. I want to get a balance of 2k or around like 1500. Yeah, and then I'll just yeah, I'll basically want to get like a 2K balance around that ish, and then I can take a payout from like 500 to 1K. Yeah, 500 something ish, and then I'll have like a pretty decent buffer left on the account. So yeah, in that sense, I'm doing pretty good, I guess. And furthermore, yeah, that's basically today's video. Two quick trade recaps and showing you guys what I've been up to lately. So yeah, I would say two pretty good trades. I would say the best trade I could have taken probably was maybe this trade right here. This trade would have been even a bit better. This trade perfectly with OTE. See, I could have used a weak body to body like this. Then taking it from this small gap right here, something like this. And then dragged it up to London High. Would have even been the same trade, but overall, I'm not gonna be complaining. Pretty good trading, they say. Second trade was also really immaculate. So yeah, overall, that's basically today's trading recap. Thank you guys for watching. If you did, if you have any questions, comment down below. I will reply to every question. So yeah, I don't know what to say anymore. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's today's trade recap. I will not be trading tomorrow because I got school and when market opens, which is pretty annoying. But yeah, it is what it is. So I might be trading PM if there's any good if I see anything good in PM. But usually, if New York opens, makes a pretty good move already, then PM will probably be really bad. But I'll see. If I trade PM, I'll make a trade recap. If I don't, then there will be no trade recap. But yeah, thank you guys for watching if you did, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.